Talking about a woodpecker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. My focus is on this bird, this woodpecker, because he's kind of the foundation of the lesson.
Hmm.
Yeah, the woodpecker.
The woodpecker.
Yeah, and he fits the personality of a lot of people.
Hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Anybody particular?
No, it's just the nature of people, nature of man. Yeah, this woodpecker does that, and I'll explain that. Yeah. Everybody will see the point.
Of the woodpecker.
Why this woodpecker is the way he is.
Hmm.
Yeah.
All right.
I know it's weird or whatever, but sometimes I think that way.
All right.
Okay.